folks, we have what some zoologists would like to call the YN, but not just any YN, the buff YN, and its natural habitat, the home gym. And as you can see, one of the natural stances of the buff YN is this unique variation of a push-up. Now folks, we can't get too close because this just isn't any YN, but the black Air Force wear. They're known for their aggression, which could result in their special move, the crash out. But little does this YN know that the bicep push-up isn't the most effective exercise for muscle building when it comes to the bicep. Here's why.
So about 4 years ago, during the coronavirus, Athlean, Fitness FAQs, and Calisthenic Movement had a little 1v2 going on. They're finna throw hands over the bicep push-up. So for those of you who don't know what the bicep push-up is, it's basically a pseudo planche push-up, but in a more supinated form. Pseudo planche push-up is designed to hit the shoulders for the planche and such movements. So basically, what the Athlean was saying is it wasn't good for building the biceps and it's dangerous for the wrists due to supination. While Calisthenic Movement was saying that the reason why it wasn't engaging the biceps was because of the lack of proper form. As well as Fitness FAQ said that the reason why it could potentially damage your wrist is because you're not used to the exercise, which is true. So if you're starting out as a beginner, let's say you go to the gym and you decide to do bench press, you're not going to put 350 pounds on there. Reason being is because your body isn't accustomed to that load. You know, you haven't been working out, your muscles and bones aren't accustomed to that. But as you train and you get stronger, your bones and your muscles get stronger, so you're able to be accustomed to that load. The same way with the bicep push-up. Fitness FAQs and Calisthenic Movement were saying that in the beginning, you should focus on having a neutral position with the wrist, and as you get stronger, you can focus on having more of a supinated position once your body gets accustomed to it, which is true. Honestly, any exercise is dangerous if you've never done it before, even push-ups. You know, if you're for someone who's just started working out and you're doing push-ups, you might feel pain in your wrist because your body isn't accustomed to that movement. And honestly, Athlean, Calisthenic Movement, and Fitness FAQs, neither of them are wrong. It's just that they were coming from different perspectives. Athlean was coming from more of a bodybuilding perspective, building muscle, while Calisthenic Movement, Fitness FAQs were coming from more of a calisthenic perspective and building up your body for movements such as the planche and various other things. So depending on your goals will depend on whether or not you use this exercise within your routine. So if you're looking to build your biceps hypertrophy-wise, it's better to do chin-ups, falcon curls, pull-ups. While if you're looking to build that stabilization and tendon growth for exercises such as the planche and to just help reduce injury, this exercise could be a great one to use. It all just depends on you.
So guys, don't be like the YN over here doing the bicep push-up. If you're looking to grow your biceps, wait, I didn't mean like whatever you do, don't hurt your gains.